Did you know that over 70% of people who try collagen supplements end up disappointed with the results? And it's not because they're not working hard enough, but because they're focusing on the wrong thing. I've seen friends and family members spend hundreds of dollars on collagen products, only to find out that gelatin is the real game changer. That's why I'm excited to share with you the gelatin trick, a simple daily ritual that's been a total wellness booster for me. By incorporating gelatin into my routine, I've noticed a significant improvement in my skin and digestive health, and I think you can experience the same benefits. The gelatin trick is all about harnessing the power of gelatin to support our body's natural functions, and it's surprisingly easy to do. As I've learned more about the gelatin trick, I've come to realize that it's not just about adding gelatin to your diet, but about creating a healthy habit that can have a lasting impact. To learn more about the gelatin trick and how to make it a part of your daily routine, check out the link in my description for a detailed guide, and be sure to read the pinned comment for some helpful tips from our community. Start your journey with the gelatin trick today and see the difference for yourself.